So for those of you that don't know, one of the most popular ways of getting stuff to stick to glass beds is actually using hairspray. So you can get any hairspray, you can get just like a $2 thing that I like Stronghold. That's all I've used and it works. So no point in trying anything different. So just get that, and at the beginning of every print I like to just put on just a nice little coating. When you're first putting on a coating onto a glass bed that doesn't have any hairspray, you want a lot. Not a ton, you don't want it like flooding, but you want a pretty decent amount. You can kind of feel that it's a bit of a rough surface, just from the little particles of hairspray. And that's kind of the point of it, I would assume. So that's what I find works. Okay, my bed is way too high up, so I'm going to go ahead and lower it quite a bit here. There we go. See how the color is much stronger now? That means it's about where I want it to be. It's making that clicking noise, which means that it's still... Oh yeah, see how it just ran across itself? That means it's still too low, so I'm going to go ahead and lower the bed here. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and stop the print and start over. And see how easily this just comes right off. Didn't take much force. And especially when you let the bed cool completely, it'll just pop right off. Much better than the glue tape. Bed is still too warm. Oh, that's not good. Okay, looks like it shifted here a little bit. So, focus. So it looks like it shifted a little bit at the beginning of the print. I've been having that problem. If any of you guys know how to fix that, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and see if this will work anyway. So what this is, it's a cool little thing. The way these are supposedly supposed to work is you just put them down and they'll just kind of roll around. Except it looks like you can't have any little bumps. That's it. Oh. That's kind of annoying. I mean, it kind of works. Doesn't travel very much. But it does move around. It'd probably help if, it looks like there's only 2 different tracks it'll travel on. I don't know, it works. So I guess that's something. Yeah, I don't know, it's interesting. I guess maybe I'll try more of them in the future, we'll see. That's it for this video. Let me know if you liked the 3D printing. See you in the next one.